Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Redline Plastics. Thank you for joining us today to celebrate our short and condensed ribbon cutting ceremony here at our lovely new facility here in Manitowoc, Wisconsin. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Nick Murray and I'm the Vice President of Operations here at Redline Plastics and Dalco Power Sports. I'd like to extend a special thank you to all of our partners who helped us on this journey, but first and foremost, I'd like to extend a thank you to our team members. We've had to go through a lot in the past 8 months to move into our new facility, get our facility built, get it operational, and then deal with all of the fun that we've had with the pandemic going on. Second, I would like to thank McMahon Architects. As you guys can see from this building, it's beautiful and it's turned out and exceeded our expectations in every way. Additionally, I'd like to thank Hammond Construction and their subcontractors. Again, without their hard work in getting us into this building, building the building as quickly as they did, we would not have been able to meet our timeline to make this facility operational. I'd like to thank the Wisconsin Economic Development Corporation, Progress Lakeshore for all their help, and the city of Manitowoc. With all of these parties not involved helping us out, we would not have been able to make this project happen. So let's talk a little bit about the pandemic. Imagine building a brand new multi-million-dollar facility, moving in December and January, and then having your business fall out right from underneath you. That's what happened to us in, I would say, April or May. Due to the dedication, hard work of these team members here, how busy we were in engineering, our relationships with our customers, we were able to maintain all of our employees, and we emerged in June, July, and August having our best sales month that we've ever had. That streak still continues today, so very impressive from our standpoint. Additionally, we continue to hire and have now, roughly 2 years ago, we had about 50 employees. Now we're up between 100 and 110, and we're still looking for an additional 10 to 20 employees. So again, the plant you see here is about 117,000 square feet. For those of you who want to go on a tour afterwards, I'd be happy to take you through. And for those of you who have already been through, what you have noticed is that we are already constrained for space. The management team has been discussing actually an additional 56,000 square foot expansion next year. So we are looking to potentially make that investment if it makes sense and business continues as it is. Thank you for coming, and next I would like to introduce Manitowoc Mayor Justin Nichols.
Thank you, Nick. Just want to say congratulations on this day. I was telling Adam, our new community development director, that it's quite a few years ago that we sat down with Chuck and Nick and a couple other folks to have this idea, I guess, over at Dalco, this concept of moving to the industrial park and expanding, and it's always exciting to see a few years later that it's finally did come to reality. So congratulations to all of you here at Redline. This is a beautiful facility. You guys did an excellent job. Like I was saying earlier, in an industrial park with an industrial building, you guys really did exemplify, it shows how proud Manitowoc is, really, frankly, when people come by and they see all the all the beautiful industrial buildings. I think it just shows exactly what you guys did here today, how proud you are of your business and of your look, and we thank you for that as a city, because it really does mean a lot when you do that. Congratulations on the jobs created, like you mentioned, Nick. This is another perfect example of a public-private partnership that started so long ago. And without all those partners, things like this couldn't happen. And we are excited as the city. Adam Tagan is our new community development director. Of course, we worked with Peter Wills at the city. We're very excited about these projects. Once we get that initial phone call to have the meeting to talk about it today, it's exciting to work with all of you. You were great to work with. So congratulations on this day. I'm looking forward to getting a tour. And I already tweeted that you're adding on 55,000 square feet already. So, that's awesome. But congratulations on your continued growth, and we look forward to continue working with you. So, thanks. Oh, I didn't know.
Well, good morning. I'm Peter Wills, Executive Director of Progress Lakeshore, Economic Development for the Manitowoc area here. Redline Plastics is just one of the latest companies that are expanding in the Manitowoc area, and it's really a great addition. I mean, to look at this building here to the Manitowoc skyline, something that's really visible in our industrial park here, and really is a enhancement of our plastics, diversifying the economy. From where Manitowoc used to be very concentrated to a few large companies, that now this is one of the new and upcoming companies going to the plastic side. You're seeing Redline Plastics, those components, whether directly through a catalog, whether supplying to Harley Davidson or other Polaris or marine products, going all over the world. So it's continuing that tradition of things built in Manitowoc, let alone the jobs here. And I think that just adds to our diversity. So to appreciate the investment from what was Delco to keep that legacy continuing forward. Certainly the family here today, thank you for the ownership, the choosing to invest in Manitowoc. And I think this just enhances more companies to grow, more people to move here, and certainly helps beautify this industrial park. So thank you again, congratulations to Redline, and look forward to your continuing expansion.
Well, I'm not going to talk very long, I'll tell you that. But I think it's a great day when you can see family-owned businesses investing in our area, and I thank the Webster family for just investing into this, into our area for so many years and so many different possibilities. And it's great to know, like he was saying about Harley Davidson, Polaris, Honda, all these different things. When you see that stuff and you see, wow, that was made in Manitowoc, because you always wonder where things are made, and parts of it are made here in Manitowoc. And I just again thank you, and again with a joyful heart, I just congratulate you, and I'm looking forward to the groundbreaking for the 55,000 square feet. So thank you.
Thank you for having me. I'm Alan Ott. I work for Congressman Glenn Grothman. He would much rather be here today, but unfortunately has to be in Washington right now. The 6th Congressional District, which of course Manitowoc is a part of all the 435 congressional districts in the country, the 6th Congressional District is #1 in terms of people who work in manufacturing. So manufacturing is a real focus of the congressman and his agenda. He believes strongly that if you're going to have wealth as a society, you have to be able to produce things. And so we're definitely glad to see an expansion here. The congressman did tour while you were still under construction a little while ago, so I'm looking forward to seeing the completed product. I know he was impressed with what you all do. Congratulations on the completion of the project, and definitely excited to hear about the expansion. So thank you again for having me.
Yeah. Oh, sheesh. Who do you all want in the picture? Who do you all want in the picture? Yeah. Go ahead. Nope, you're good. No, I'm the good looks and charm. You're the better. Yeah. And maybe Chuck, you want to maybe hold the. Sure. Yeah. Let's cut it together. Yeah, you guys do it together. That. So we can a couple of us can hold on to the ribbon here.
Yeah.
Ready?
Ready?
All right, let's get a couple shots here first. Make sure you're smiling.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, here
You want to
we
give
go.
us a countdown, or you want to just go?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh. Third time's a charm. If it's any consolation, that happens a lot. Congrats, guys.
Sharpened, Justin.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
weapon.
It is. It is.
Cool.
It is one of those you have to cut it just right.